What's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, construct a truth table for P or P implies Q implies not P or Q. Okay, now the first thing is we are going to start with P and Q. There are 4 possibilities you can have. Both of them can be true, one of them can be true and other one can be false. This one can be false and the other one can be true, or both of them can be false. Okay, now let's see what is P implies Q is. P implies Q is if then P, if P then Q. Okay, if we can say in another way, we can say if P then Q. This is only false when we have some situation that is the first one is true and the second one is false. That's the only thing, the only way it can be false. Otherwise it's going to be true. So both of them are true. This is true. First one is true. So if P then Q. If P is true and Q is false, this is going to be false. And false true is going to be true. False false, it's true. Now not P is negation of P. So whatever the P we have, we just have to write the opposite one. So true true, that's going to be false false right here. And false false, that's going to be true true. Now the next thing is we are going to write P or P implies Q. P or P implies Q. Now P or P implies Q mean we are comparing this one, P and P implies Q. So if one is true, if one of them is true, that's enough to make this one true, because in OR just one has to be true. Now true, okay, here we have true, so we can just, without even looking at this one, we can just write true true true. Now P is false in the third one, so we have to just look at this one. Here it's true, so true, and false again, so here it's true true. Now the next thing is we are going to see what's going to be the not P or Q. Okay, not P or Q. Again, this is OR. So if one of them is true, it's going to be true. Not P or not Q. So not P. Not P is true in these last 2 cases, so this is going to be true. And let's look at the Q. Q is true in the first one, but it's also false in the second one. If you look at this Q and not P, both of them are false. So this is the only situation it's going to be false. Now the last thing is we are asked to construct the truth table for this one. Okay, we found out this one, that is P or P implies Q, that is this one. And we found out not P or Q, that is this one. Now we have to write the whole thing together. So let's write this one, P or P implies Q implies not P or Q. Okay, so first we have to look at this one. As we seen before, it's same as this one. Like if the first one is true and the second one is false, then only it's going to be false. Otherwise it's going to be true. Now let's look at the P or P implies Q. P or P implies Q, true. And here true true true. True false. This is the only situation is going to be false, because first one is true, second one is false. So this is going to be false. True 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 and true true true. And that's it. That's how we construct a truth table for the given things. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn discrete math, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.